Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix keeps restarting in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, turn off auto restart, open settings, search auto restart. Now click on auto restart. Again click on auto restart. Now turning off these buttons. After turning off these buttons, auto restart will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be update from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory data reset. Open settings. Scroll down. Click on general management. Scroll down. Click on reset. Scroll down. Click on factory data reset. Scroll down. Click on reset. After click on reset, your phone data, picture, videos, files, document will be erased, delete or reset from your phone. This is how you can fix keeps restarting in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.